rice variety and technology aimed at boosting rice production in Homa Bay. This will bridge the shortage of 600,000 metric tons of rice in Kenya. Speaking at the Farmers Exhibition Day in Rangwe, Homa Bay County, the Lake Basin Development Authority Managing Director Wycliffe Ochiaga said that the new seed variety geared towards increasing the local production by using a resilient seed variety that takes a shorter time to mature.
Here today to celebrate the innovations when it comes to variety of rice. And as you are aware, part of the government's agenda is on food production and also agricultural transformation.
These varieties, they take around there are others which take around 85 to 90 days from planting to maturity, and that take only 120 days.
Farmers need financial support because rice is labor intensive. It needs money, cash money, liquid money flowing. Everything you do, everything you give to some people to help you, you pay them. So you need money to help you go through.
Nimeweza kulima shindano, nimelima hii local yenye tulikuwa tuna recycle tu. Lakini haikuwa na mazao mingi juu hata ukiipika ni quality mbaya, lakini hii ingine shindano na basmati ni quality nzuri alafu bei